Hello, in this video I'm gonna show the speed up tricks on the POCO C71. Okay, so let's begin. Let's open up our settings first. And now let's scroll down into the bottom. Now click on About Phone. And now you'll want to open up the developer settings. To do it, we need to tap the build number a few times. As you can see, I am already a developer, so nothing happens actually, but you need to simply tap a few times. Alright, then go into your system, scroll down and click on developer options. Now, in here we need to find 3 specific options, so let's keep on scrolling. Okay, and here they are. It's animated duration scale, transition animation scale, and the window animation scale. As you can see, defaultly they are set on 1x, each 3 of them, but to boost the speed of your phone, I suggest you should select them on 0.5 or completely on off. It is completely up to you, but I suggest 0.5 or off. Okay, also we can scroll down a little bit more until we find the apps, and in here background process limit. As you can see, defaultly it's set on standard limit, and to boost up your speed I suggest you should select at most 3 or at most 4. I'm gonna click on at most 3. Alright, now we can exit the developer settings and we can open up the cleaner. Okay, as you can see, the cleaning process has finished because there are no much junk files, but you should perform that action from time to time. Also, if you have some unused apps, you can go into the settings, click on apps, click on see all, and in here you have all of your apps, and if you have some apps that you are not currently using, simply select it and click on uninstall. Also, you can clear cache, not in every case, but for some apps you should be able to do it. For example, maybe on the YouTube Music you can perform that action. Okay, yeah, simply click on clear cache, and that should boost your speed a little bit. Alright. And also, it's also pretty important to not have many apps in the recent apps right in here. So simply click on that icon, the icon of the square, and see if there are some apps. If there are, simply get rid of them. Okay. And of course, you should reboot your phone from time to time. To do it, you need to tap the power button and the volume up button at the same time to launch the power menu, just like that, and now simply tap on restart. As you can see, now the screen went black, and within a few seconds the phone will be automatically turned on back again and ready to use. Performing a reboot provides that the phone is deleting some of the processes that are running in the background, and it also freezes up some RAM. Frees up. Okay, so that's all on this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.